Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if Instagram is connected to Facebook. Now, what you have to do is you want to open up your Instagram account, but before I begin with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, I can offer you first month for only $1. If you want that, click the link in the description. So you need to open up your Instagram account, and once you have opening, go to the bottom right to open up your profiles. Once you're under your profile, you need to go to the top right in the hamburger menu, click on the hamburger menu, and from there you want to click on the first option, Account Center. Then what you want to do is click on the profiles, that's at the very top, and now tap on your name again. As you can see here some informations, but as you can see I don't have Facebook here, because if I had Facebook it wouldn't be add accounts, it would be like my Facebook account. As you can see, I have the option to add a Facebook account. So basically, this is how to check if your Instagram is connected to your Facebook. You would have your Facebook here if it was connected. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want the Shopify offer, click the link in the description.